on a moment.
And we know a lot of you are virtually learning at home, so we are supplementing with some fun experiments in Live's Virtual Science Week. Please welcome our very favorite science teacher, Science Bob.
Welcome back, Science Bob.
Hello.
So excited to be back in class today, teacher. What are we going to learn?
Yeah, you don't need your face shields just yet, just so you know, if you wanted to get rid of
I
them.
like it. It makes me feel protected.
Excellent, excellent. It's kind of a special Halloween this year.
Yeah.
Not only is it on a Saturday, but it's one of the rare Halloweens on a full moon.
Oh, exciting.
Ooh,
Exciting.
spooky.
All right, what are we doing? Let's get into it.
So it's COVID season for Halloween, which means we can't have kids coming up and grabbing things out of a bowl. So we're going to give you a couple of ideas. My first idea actually came, did a quick trip to Target and got in a remote control car, head over to the party store, got one of those spiders. You get a little plastic bowl, you put all those together, you actually get this to deliver your candy.
Oh, wow.
That's so smart.
That's cool.
There you go. So you just have that go right off to the kids. They can grab that.
Look at
That is so
That's
cool.
great.
And that can deliver
What's
your
in there,
candy right there.
Reese's?
The big ones.
So that's one little engineering hack that you can do.
Hey, Bob, you just think of this in the middle of the night, you wake up and have this idea to marry those two
Literally, I
items
did,
together?
yes.
Yeah,
That's
brilliant.
pretty much how it
All right.
works. And then another one, you could, of course, have the kids come in and throw the candy,
Yeah.
but we came up with a slightly funner way. So I'll show you this, and then I'll let you guys demonstrate it. For this, you're just going to need an ordinary balloon. You're going to need a pair of skizzers. I say skizzers because I can't
Skizzers.
pronounce scissors. And then a little bit of electrical tape, and then some small candy and a string.
And I like that
Okay.
you got Halloween colors.
And we're
Yeah,
going to
of
shoot
course.
candy out?
Yeah, so here's
Oh.
how it works. You would, first of all, you would tie the balloon, you'd cut the top off, you tie the string onto the knot, and put it through a piece of PVC pipe. And
Oh,
sometimes
yeah.
you get these at a hardware store.
Oh, fun.
You guys are ahead of me. See, there you go. So you guys can then shoot it to the neighbors. There you go.
Ooh,
Oh,
nice catch,
wow.
Frank. That's fun.
So yeah, you can, you know.
Watermelon rye.
Watermelon sugar high. Oh.
Oh, almost, almost. And you know, you got the buckets there, so you can try.
This is endless. You've lost us now. We're just going to play with these
it's
the whole
fine.
time.
Yeah, that's it.
All right,
That's a really cool idea.
So that's kind of a little fun idea. Then the problem comes, what if you have a big group of kids?
Yeah.
What do you do if you have a
What
large
happens
group?
if they come?
But a safe group
So
of large.
I got a little bit of PVC pipe. I got a sprinkler valve. I got a pressure gauge. And I put something together, but I don't think this is a try at home. I got to go get it.
Okay,
all right.
all right. Bob,
Well,
we'll be-
yeah, I'm going to get
we'll
it.
be
If
right
you
here.
guys could come on over
you
here
want
and
us to
just
come over there?
stand
Okay,
over
Kelly.
here. I'm going to come over here.
Do you wanna-
pick up
Go in
my,
there.
Do you wanna peanut-
my
No,
thank you.
device?
Do you want to
Grab your
What?
buckets and go over
Grab
there.
our buckets?
We're going to do the...
Stop yelling at us.
Supersized version, right?
So this is my version over here.
Ooh, look at that.
So we've loaded it up with some candy.
Wow.
We got a high pressure chamber. You guys got your face shields on. I haven't tested this yet, but I think it might work. We're gonna give
So
it a
we're
try.
gonna
I'm
catch
actually
that?
Come on
Oh,
over
good.
here if I can. All right, you
Excellent.
ready? You got your buckets ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Candy time in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I think it needs more testing. More testing for sure. Yeah, yeah. So there you go. A couple ideas to get you going on Halloween this year.
Science Bob,
Your dreams are amazing. Thank you for bringing them to life. Obviously, focus on all the safety protocols and the things you need to do if you're going to have this much fun.
have your guard. Science Bob, can't wait to see what you have in store with us tomorrow. There's
And for more information on my intermittent eating plan, go to livekellyandryan.com.